Hello, today we will guide you through how to fix Google Drive file uploading problem. If your file is stuck uploading, taking too long, or failing completely, don't worry. There are a few simple things you can check before assuming something is seriously wrong. We'll start with the most common causes and move through the basic fixes in a clear order. First, go to Google Drive in your web browser. Once you're on the main Drive page, take a moment to confirm that the issue is actually happening there and not just during a one-time upload attempt. Sometimes refreshing your view of Drive helps you verify whether the upload is frozen or simply delayed. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection is one of the most common reasons files fail to upload. Even if your browser is still loading websites, your connection may not be strong enough for large file transfers. Make sure your device is connected properly and that your internet is working normally. If you want to be more certain, run a speed test. This can help you see whether your upload speed is too slow or inconsistent. Since Google Drive relies on a stable connection, poor upload speed can cause files to hang or fail midway. If the speed test shows weak performance, it may be best to wait for a stronger connection before trying again. If the problem is still not resolved, go back to Google Drive and look at the upper right part of your browser window. Click the three-dot menu. This is where you can access browser options that may affect how Google Drive works. From there, choose the option to delete browsing data. Cookies and cached files can sometimes interfere with websites, especially when a service like Google Drive is loading older stored data. Clearing that information can help remove conflicts and give the site a fresh start. After doing this, reopen Google Drive and try the upload again. Another option is to click the same three-dot menu in the upper right corner of your browser and locate Help. This area usually contains browser information and troubleshooting tools that can point you in the right direction if something isn't working correctly. While you're there, check whether your browser is up to date. An outdated browser may not work properly with Google Drive's latest features. Installing updates can improve compatibility, performance, and stability. Finally, check the file you're trying to upload and see whether it is too large. Very large files can take much longer to upload, especially on slower connections, and in some cases they may appear stuck when they're just processing very slowly. By going through these checks one by one, you can usually identify what's causing the upload problem and get Google Drive working again.